Hey cuties and beauties, it's I forgot, what do I even say anymore? Oh my god, that is so fucking weird. I forgot what I say. Oh my god. What do I say? Hey cuties and beauties, it's your girl Mina Milan and I am back with another video. I totally forgot what I usually say because I haven't been here in so long, but that's because so much has happened, okay? I went to Cali, Colombia. I'm now officially a Scottsdale real estate agent. Like, I'm gonna tell you guys everything that has happened to me, okay? I've been putting in some serious work, some grind to get all my things in order, even, you know, the girls. So, but today is about an unboxing because I just don't feel right unboxing something that I really, really love. Even though I've gotten a few pieces that I haven't unboxed for you guys, but this one is new because this is the first type of bag that I don't have. So I want to unbox it with you because I don't want to wear it tomorrow. And I'm like, wow, I could have did a YouTube video about it. And what's crazy is when I did go to Cali, Colombia, I vlogged the whole thing. Then for my birthday, I went to Jamaica. I vlogged the whole thing. My boyfriend got me my dream car. I vlogged the whole thing. Where is it? Haven't uploaded it. I don't know why. It sucks, but I'm trying to be better. Like, now I am going to vlog everything, like, because I feel like I'm YouTube material, but I feel like I have like a lazy mentality when it comes to it, and I'm just trying to be better. So let's just start with the unboxing, okay? So this is something that I got, I think, wait, it was Sunday, it was yesterday. And I was like, because I see a lot of this bag, but I just didn't like the nylon one of it. I felt like it looks kind of like something I would gift like my daughter if she was like 16. I don't know. It's just not a bag that I personally would carry. But I did want to be a part of the Prada game, so I did get something. So this is my first time opening it, and honestly, it took me so long to decide if I wanted this bag in the store. Like, the lady was sick of me, right? So as you can tell, it's a small bag, and I don't carry small bags. So I was like really scared to like get it because it was kind of pricey. Like, out the door, this purse was $2,500. Like, and I feel like I mean, for a bag I'm gonna carry a lot. That's not bad, you know. But this is a bag that you can only carry in a certain season and like only fit a little bit of things in it. You know what I mean? So I took a long time to see if I really wanted the bag, but I got the bag and I wanted to share it with you all. So let's open it. So this bag I got at the Prada store and I really liked it. I was looking at another bag there. I was actually just looking for some sandals, some new everyday sandals, because I wear my Louis Vuitton ones every day and I just wanted, like, you know, some everyday sandals to wear and things like that. And they ended up not having my size and the pair that I wanted. So then I started walking over by the purses, and I was looking at this one, it was like a structured bag, and it just gave me kind of like, just a little bit too mature for me. Like the structured bag look like the ones that Olivia Pope used to carry. You know, like, I don't know, that's just not my vibe quite yet, but when I become an attorney, it will be. But right now, you know, something small, cute, and fun. And then I looked up and I was like, gold shimmer. And I have been in the market for a white bag for a long time, and I originally wanted like the white Goyard Sagan. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I had emailed Goyard to see if I could get it, and it just took forever to get back to me. They literally just got back to me today, and I'm like, wow. So hopefully we can still get that one. And now I think I want that one in like green, cause oh my god, you guys, it was my birthday. God, it was Taurus season. Wow, I can't believe I didn't vlog during Taurus season. I suck, like seriously. But I'm gonna make it up to you guys, I swear. But I've been on my grind. If you're a Taurus, you know, like when we need to get on our grind about something, like forget all the social media extras. Like it's gotta get done. You feel me? So wow. But I did vlog. I just didn't upload it. You guys didn't see it. I'm the type to vlog something and like literally edit it and put it in iMovie and just let it sit there. Cause I don't know. I'm lame. I'm getting out of it. But back to this purse. I saw this and I was like, wow, it's so classy. Like literally the camera is not doing it. Oh my god, why is it not focusing? There it goes. The camera's not doing it any justice. Like this gold is so pretty. Like it's perfect for summer. Oh, just with like a beautiful navy dress, like on a boat or something. These are the type of things I think about. Can you guys see it? Because it's kind of like, the freaking thing is like way too bright. Oh. Anyway, let me scoot closer. Let me turn this down. Maybe that's what I need to do. There we go. Okay, so this is so cute. Like, and it was sitting up, like on the top shelf. And I saw like the shimmer of gold and I was like, wow, like I need to see that. I love it. And it's just like something cute and like lightweight to wear. Another thing I like about it is that the straps are adjustable. So basically what can fit in here is not too much. That's why I was kind of skeptical about it. But it's so cute. It's like a new cute little like addition to like my little collection, and I love it. So the name of this bag is called the Patina in Peli Safino Luxe in Blanco. French. Oui, oui. And it also comes in black with gold. I just love gold hardware on purses. I feel like it makes it look like a purse. You know what I mean? I feel like silver does it, but just that gold, it just in the sun and at night. And I feel like this bag, for me personally, I feel like this is a day bag. I personally would not carry a white bag at night. But I wear white at night. But I wouldn't carry a white bag because this just looks airy and free to me. All in all, I haven't carried this bag yet, so I won't be able to tell you. But it's so cute. Like, even my boyfriend loves it. He was like, no, that looks so cute on you. And I was like, wow, like he never says stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. Okay. So I was like, yeah, okay, I'm definitely gonna get it. And yeah, because you always try to like downplay stuff. You know how your boyfriend's like, it's all right. Like, I mean, I'm like, I'm trying to downplay it. But he was like, no, that's so cute on you. I was like, thank you. But yeah, that's it. It was pretty pricey for what it was, but I feel like it's worth it. We'll see. And that's all. I'm so sorry I did not vlog in tourist season for you guys, but I'm gonna make it up. I just had to get some things in order, you know, with the Realtor Association. I had to join that. It took a lot of loopholes. It was just a lot of work, okay? But we're there, and we're coming in hot. And I'm just happy to be here, honestly. Like, I've been so blessed during this time. Like, I don't want you guys being like, oh, she sucks as a YouTuber or whatever, because I want you all to know, like, I've been working on me, you know? And if you care about me, you'll be happy. So I just hope everyone has been blessed, and I look forward to uploading my realtor videos with you guys. And y'all, I'm doing beautiful multi-million-dollar homes. Like, I cannot wait to do some YouTube videos in those homes for you guys to see, and for you guys to meet my clients. It's gonna be so much fun. I wanted to transition this channel into something more mature. Not that we're old, girl, but something like just more business minded, because it's like, don't worry, I'm still gonna include my unboxings, of course, sweetie, because we're always gonna stay in that news, okay? But we wanted to, you know, transition it into something more, you know, business related and stuff like that. Now that we're 26, girl, we're 26, okay? And I just look forward to sharing that with you guys. And I hope you all like my content that's coming up. It's not gonna be all real estate, bye now, no. We're gonna be talking still about tourists, still about men, but we're gonna add a little real estate, because honey, we're business owners, we're deed holders, not just key holders, okay? So I look forward to that with you guys, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe as usual. Stay blessed.